Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and let me introduce you to your new favorite pair of shoes, these loafers from Journey West. These loafers are absolutely stunning. They are made so well. I am completely floored by the quality of these shoes. They are this gorgeous velvet loafer that is just so soft and elegant looking. The details and the stitching and just the craftsmanship of these shoes, I could not be more impressed by them. I think these shoes are perfect if you need something to spice up your office wear, or you can wear them out on the town with a pair of jeans or pair them with a dress and just add such a fun, whimsical touch to any outfit. They are incredibly comfortable. They have such an amazingly soft sole in the shoe. I have mine in a size 9 and they are completely true to size. They fit me perfectly. They are so comfortable to walk in, and everyone that has seen these shoes has been completely in love, just like me. If you're looking to get a new pair of shoes to add to your wardrobe, I could not recommend these loafers from Journey West any more highly. They are so elegant, classy, and so high quality. I am completely obsessed with them, and I think that you are going to be too, and that is my point of view.